Hello everyone, welcome back to English Fluency Builder. Thank you for being here today. Take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Today's story is a little unusual. Something simple, but also a little mysterious. So welcome to Storytelling Episode 17. Today's story is called The Note Under the Door. Let's begin. It was late at night. Around 11:30, Oliver was sitting in his room. Laptop open, lights dim, music playing softly. He was tired, but not sleepy. Just distracted. He closed his laptop and leaned back in his chair. Silence. Then suddenly he heard a small sound. Slide. Like something moving across the floor. He looked down. There, near the door, was a small piece of paper. A note. Half of it, under the door. Oliver frowned. Slowly, he stood up and walked toward it. He picked it up. It was folded. No name, no marking. He opened it carefully. Inside, there was just one sentence. Take a break. Oliver stared at it, confused. Who sent this? He whispered. He opened the door quickly. The hallway was empty, no one there. Silence. He stepped out, looked left, then right. Nothing. He came back inside, closed the door, looked at the note again. Take a break. He laughed softly. Very funny. He placed it on the table and went back to his chair. But now he couldn't focus. His mind kept going back to the note. Who wrote it? Why? After a few minutes, he picked it up again. Read it slowly. Take a break. He looked at his laptop, then at the note. Then, without thinking much, he closed the laptop completely. He turned off the music and just sat there, in silence. For the first time that day, there were no distractions, no screens, no noise, just quiet. Minutes passed. Slowly, his breathing became calm. His mind, less heavy. He didn't realize how tired he actually was. After some time, he stood up, walked to the window, and opened it. Cool air entered the room. He took a deep breath. And suddenly, he felt better, not because something big happened, but because he stopped. Later that night, as he was about to sleep, he looked at the note again. Still lying on the table, same words. Take a break. He smiled slightly. Then something strange happened. He turned the paper over. There was nothing there before. But now, he noticed something faint. Very light handwriting. Almost invisible. He brought it closer. There was another line. You needed this. Oliver froze for a moment. He looked at the door again, then back at the note. No answer, no explanation. The next morning, he woke up feeling fresh, clear, different. He looked at his table. The note was still there, but now, it didn't feel mysterious. It felt meaningful. And maybe that's the point of this story. Sometimes, life doesn't send big signals. No loud warnings. No big events. Just a small message. A small pause. A quiet moment. And maybe, you don't need someone to slide a note under your door. Maybe, you already know when to stop, when to rest, when to take a break. So today, if you feel tired or overwhelmed, just pause, even for a few minutes. Because sometimes, That's exactly what you need. Thank you for listening to Storytelling Episode 17 on English Fluency Builder. If you find this storytelling useful, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell button, and continue learning English with us. I will see you in the next episode.